Are you ready to take your hat embroidery projects to the next level? Whether you're a hobbyist looking to personalize your caps or a business owner aiming to expand your product line, finding the perfect embroidery machine is essential. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? Should you go for a beginner-friendly model or invest in a commercial-grade powerhouse? And what features truly make an embroidery machine stand out for hats? Today, we'll explore the 8 best embroidery machines for hats, ranked from good to exceptional, and help you discover which one fits your needs. 8. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE800 is a dedicated embroidery machine designed to cater to home embroiderers who want a reliable and straightforward tool for creating beautiful designs. With its 5" by 7" embroidery field, this machine provides enough space for medium-sized hat designs, making it a solid choice for hobbyists. It comes preloaded with 138 built-in embroidery designs, including floral patterns, borders, and 11 fonts, 7 English, 3 Japanese, and 1 Cyrillic, offering plenty of creative options. The large color LCD touchscreen allows users to preview and edit designs with ease, including rotating, resizing, and mirror imaging them before stitching. One of the standout features of the PE800 is its automatic needle threader and thread cutter, which simplify the setup process and save time during embroidery projects. The machine also supports importing custom designs via USB, making it versatile for those who want to expand beyond the built-in options. Its LED-lit workspace ensures visibility while working on intricate patterns, and the quick-set bobbin system minimizes downtime. However, the PE800 has some limitations that may not appeal to everyone. For instance, it is an embroidery-only machine, meaning it cannot perform basic sewing tasks, a downside if you're looking for a multifunctional device. Additionally, its stitching speed of 650 stitches per minute is slower compared to other models in its category, which might be frustrating for users working on larger or more complex projects. While it's user-friendly overall, beginners might find the lack of automatic jump stitch trimming inconvenient, as they'll need to manually cut these threads during design transitions. 7. Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE1900 offers a versatile combination of sewing and embroidery functionalities in one machine. With a 5" by 7" embroidery area and 138 built-in designs, it provides ample creative freedom for hat embroidery projects. Additionally, its 240 built-in sewing stitches cater to various sewing needs, from utility stitches to decorative patterns. The My Custom Stitch feature allows users to create and save personalized stitch patterns directly on the machine, a unique touch for those who want to add individuality to their creations. The SE1900's color LCD touchscreen makes navigation straightforward. Users can combine designs, adjust colors, and preview their work before stitching, a feature that ensures precision and reduces errors. The drag-and-drop editing functionality further enhances customization options for intricate designs on hats or other items. For monogramming enthusiasts, the machine includes 11 built-in fonts that are ideal for personalizing caps or other garments. While testing this machine, I appreciated its smooth fabric feeding system and automatic reinforcement settings that ensure durability at the start and end of stitches. However, there are areas where the SE1900 falls short. Its learning curve can be steep for beginners due to its wide range of features. Additionally, while its maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute is decent for sewing tasks, it lags behind commercial-grade embroidery machines in terms of stitching speed. The automatic thread cutter is convenient but occasionally inconsistent, requiring manual intervention during complex projects. Number 6. Smartstitch S1001 Upgraded Embroidery Machine. The Smartstitch S1001 is a commercial-grade embroidery machine designed with small businesses in mind. Featuring 10 needles and a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine excels in efficiency and precision, perfect for high-quality hat embroidery projects. Its large embroidery area, 14.2" by 9.5", accommodates intricate designs with ease, while the cap-specific frame ensures flawless results on curved surfaces like hats. One of the most impressive aspects of this machine is its advanced technology. The S1001 includes auto thread trimming and auto color changing capabilities that streamline production processes significantly. Laser positioning ensures pinpoint accuracy when placing designs on hats or other items, a feature that eliminates guesswork and reduces errors. The machine also boasts an onboard memory capacity that can store up to 500 designs or 32 million stitches, making it ideal for handling bulk orders or complex projects. During testing, I found the S1001 self-lubrication system particularly beneficial. It reduces maintenance requirements while prolonging the machine's lifespan. The inclusion of physical buttons alongside touchscreen controls provides a user-friendly interface that caters to both tech-savvy users and those who prefer traditional operation methods. Additionally, its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to transport without compromising stability during use. However, this machine isn't without flaws. Setting up the S1001 can be time-consuming for first-time users due to its advanced features and multiple components. While its compact size is convenient for storage, it may feel cramped when working on larger projects or managing multiple accessories simultaneously. Despite these minor inconveniences, the Smartstitch S1001 stands out as a reliable option for small businesses or serious hobbyists aiming to produce professional-grade hat embroidery. Number 5. The Mirror Embroidery Machine. BAI The Mirror is a commercial-grade embroidery machine tailored specifically for high-speed production on hats and other garments. With its 15 needles and maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine delivers efficiency without compromising on quality. Its large embroidery area, 13.8 inches by 19.7 inch, accommodates expansive designs effortlessly, perfect for creating intricate logos or monograms on hats. What sets the Mirror apart is its intelligent InStitch i5 computer system that simplifies operations significantly. This user-friendly interface allows seamless design imports via USB or Wi-Fi connectivity while enabling real-time adjustments during stitching. The multi-needle arrangement minimizes thread changes during multicolor designs, a game-changer in fast-paced production environments. Additionally, the servo motor ensures quiet operation even at high speeds, a feature that enhances comfort during extended use. During testing, I was impressed by how well this machine handled structured hats without causing thread breaks or alignment issues, an essential factor in commercial applications. The inclusion of cap-specific accessories like cap drivers and cap rings adds value by ensuring precision when working on curved surfaces. Furthermore, its robust construction ensures durability even under heavy usage. However, BA The Mirror's price point may deter hobbyists or small-scale users who don't require industrial-level performance. Additionally, while its advanced features are beneficial for experienced operators, beginners might find them overwhelming initially. For businesses focused on scaling their hat embroidery operations efficiently and accurately, BAI The Mirror offers exceptional value despite its higher cost bracket. It's an investment that pays off in terms of productivity and professional results. Number 4. Janome MB-7. The Janome MB-7 is a standout in the embroidery world as the first-ever home-use 7-needle embroidery machine. Designed to bridge the gap between personal and professional use, it offers a host of advanced features that cater to both hobbyists and small businesses. With its ability to handle industry-standard embroidery formats like JEF Plus, JEF, and DST, this machine ensures compatibility with professional design software, making it ideal for users who want to elevate their hat embroidery projects. One of the most notable features of the MB-7 is its 7-needle system, which allows for multicolored designs without constant thread changes. This feature significantly enhances efficiency, especially when working on intricate hat designs or logos. The machine also comes with 50 built-in embroidery designs and 10 monogramming fonts, providing plenty of creative options right out of the box. The maximum embroidery size of 9.4 inch by 7.9 inches is spacious enough for most hat designs, and the inclusion of 3 different hoop sizes adds versatility. During testing, the MB-7 impressed with its smooth operation and professional quality results. The 5.7-inch remote computer screen, RCS, offers an intuitive interface for editing designs and monitoring progress, while 6 bright LED lights illuminate the workspace for precision stitching. Features like programmable jump thread trimming and auto-return post-thread break further streamline the embroidery process, minimizing interruptions and ensuring a polished final product. However, the MB-7 does have some limitations. Its maximum speed of 800 stitches per minute is slower compared to other machines in its price range, which might be a drawback for users focused on high-volume production. Additionally, while it's marketed as a home-use machine, its size and complexity may feel overwhelming for beginners or those with limited space. 3. Smartstitch S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. The Smartstitch S1501 is a powerhouse designed for commercial use, offering exceptional performance and versatility for hat embroidery projects. With 15 needles and a blazing speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine is built to handle complex multicolor designs efficiently. Its expansive 14-inch by 20 inches embroidery area accommodates large-scale projects with ease, making it ideal for businesses that require high productivity. One of the standout features of the S1501 is its user-friendly technology. The 12-inch touchscreen interface simplifies design selection and editing, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless file transfers from your computer or cloud storage. Laser positioning ensures precise placement of designs on hats or other items, eliminating guesswork and reducing errors. Additionally, automatic color changes and thread trimming enhance workflow efficiency by minimizing manual intervention during stitching. During testing, I was particularly impressed by how effortlessly this machine handled various materials like leather, canvas, and foam-backed hats. Its ability to create clean 3D puff embroidery on structured caps sets it apart from competitors in its category. The S1501 also comes with comprehensive training resources and local technical support, ensuring that users can quickly master its features and troubleshoot any issues. While the S1501 excels in many areas, it does come at a premium price point that might be prohibitive for smaller businesses or hobbyists. Additionally, its advanced features may feel overwhelming for beginners who are new to commercial-grade machines. Despite these considerations, the Smartstitch S1501 is an outstanding investment for businesses looking to scale their operations efficiently. Its combination of speed, precision, and versatility makes it one of the best options available for professional hat embroidery. 2. BAI, the Vision Embroidery Machine. The Vision is an advanced commercial embroidery machine designed to meet the demands of growing businesses. As an upgraded version of BAI the Mirror, this model offers enhanced performance with its 15 needles and maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute. Its large embroidery area, 19.7-inch by 15.7-inch, provides ample space for intricate hat designs or bulk orders. What sets the Vision apart is its cutting-edge technology aimed at improving productivity and precision. The InStitch i5 electronic control system simplifies operation by offering real-time design adjustments and batch pattern management across multiple machines, a feature especially useful for businesses handling diverse orders simultaneously. Wi-Fi transfer capabilities make importing designs seamless, while features like automatic thread trimming and color changes reduce downtime significantly. During testing, I found that the Vision excelled at producing stable 3D foam embroidery on hats without thread breaks or alignment issues, a common challenge in commercial applications. Its ability to maintain consistent stitch quality, even on challenging materials like leather or foam-backed caps, is a testament to its robust build quality. Another highlight is its large memory capacity, up to 100 million stitches, which allows users to store extensive design libraries directly on the machine. While this machine delivers exceptional performance, it does come with a steep learning curve due to its advanced features. Additionally, its higher price tag may deter smaller operations or hobbyists who don't require industrial-level capabilities. For businesses ready to scale up their production while maintaining top-notch quality, the Vision offers unmatched efficiency and versatility. It's a worthy investment for professionals seeking cutting-edge technology in hat embroidery. 1. Melco EM16X. At the top of our list is the Melco EMT16X, a true game changer in commercial embroidery machines designed specifically with hats in mind. With its modular design and unmatched scalability, this machine allows businesses to grow seamlessly by adding additional heads as production demands increase. Each head operates independently within the networked system, ensuring minimal downtime even if one unit requires maintenance. The EMT16X boasts an impressive array of features tailored for high-volume production without compromising quality. Its active feed thread tensioning system automatically adjusts tension based on fabric type and hoop size, ensuring flawless stitch quality at speeds of up to 1,500 stitches per minute, the fastest on this list. The narrow lower arm design makes embroidering tricky areas like hat brims effortless while maintaining precision. Testing this machine was nothing short of impressive. It handled everything from simple monograms to intricate multicolor logos with ease. The included cap driver supports a wide-angle sew field, 270 degrees, allowing users to create detailed designs on all sides of a hat without rehooping, a huge time saver in commercial settings. Laser alignment technology further enhances accuracy by ensuring perfect placement every time. While the EMT16X represents a significant financial investment up front, its modularity ensures long-term value by allowing businesses to scale operations efficiently over time. Additionally, Melco's robust customer support network provides peace of mind through training resources and technical assistance. For businesses aiming to dominate the hat embroidery market with unparalleled speed, precision, and scalability, the Melco EMT16X is simply unmatched in performance and innovation. It's not just an embroidery machine, it's a tool designed to transform your business into an industry leader. In conclusion, whether you're just starting out or running a full-fledged embroidery business, there's an ideal machine on this list tailored to your needs. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.